Hey guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can contact Chime. So let's get started. So first open your Chime app on your phone and tap the support tab or the question mark icon. From there, you can choose a topic related to your issue or tap chat with us to start a live conversation with a Chime support agent right inside the app. This is the fastest way to get help. After that, if you prefer to speak directly, you can call Chime customer service at 1-844-424-6363. Their team is available 24/7, including weekends and holidays, so you can reach them anytime. Make sure you have your account details ready before calling to verify your identity quickly. Then, if you'd rather send an email, use support@chime.com. From the same email, link to your Chime account. Include your full name and clearly describe your issue, so the support team can help you efficiently. And then you can also visit help.chime.com, where you'll find detailed articles, facts, and search options for common problems. Finally, if you want to reach out on social media, Chime is active on Twitter and Facebook, where you can send a direct message for updates or general help. Just make sure not to share personal details publicly for your security. And that's it. Now you know all the ways to contact Chime customer support quickly and easily whenever you need help. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.